Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to create this exact thing with rounded corners on the inside and the outside of a triangle. And from an email, I gathered that he is doing pretty good. He's just forgetting one item, one object. So I'm going to draw a four-sided polygon. And I'm going to hold down the control button and I'm going to hit P. Now I'm going to change it to a three-sided. This is the rotating center, and Corel thinks that's the center, but that's beside the point. Now, if we go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners, and we turn the radius to, let's say, 1 inch. Well, that's too much. Let's go half of an inch. You get that. Now, this is what he's trying to do. Control D and make a duplicate. And he's going off one of my videos to hold down the shift key. But if you're looking, it's growing from the center. That's the center of this box. It's the center of what Corel thinks that is. So I'm going to disallow that. So no matter what you do, Control D, it's not going to be the same, but you could move it down here. But see, that's not even right. So in this case, take this and go to Effects and Contour to the inside. I'm going to say 2 inches. That's too much. Let's say 1 inch. Now you've got that. You've got to go to Object, break the contour apart, then grab that and you left this open. So we're going to make it a 0.25 radius. And now you have that. Kind of reminds me of a pool rack set made out of wood to rack the cue balls. But that's what he needed to know. You just can't, let's do this. So if we make a square and make a duplicate, and then hold down the shift, see, it's growing from the center outwardly. But you have an item that's not centerable, is what I'm going to call it. Let's make it a polygon with 5 sides. And then Control D and make a duplicate. Holding down the shift key, it just doesn't work. Because now you got way too much down here and not enough up there. So same thing here. Just go to Effects and Contour, and we'll just go ahead and use that same thing. And then that way it's in the center. Anyway, I hope that helped him a little bit. Thank you for watching.